Minčeta Tower, the highest point of the city walls. For centuries it has stood as the crown of Dubrovnik's defenses. Millions admire it from the outside, but only a handful discover its secrets hidden deep inside the stone. Welcome to a side of the old town few ever get to see. The secret tunnels of Minčeta, the old gun foundry, the western bulwark, Fort Bokar, a hidden section of the walls, non-touristy and away from the crowds. This isn't just another walking tour. Led by a local guide, born and raised in Dubrovnik, you'll explore the underground archaeology museum, hear about military engineering, and walk along the quiet, secluded parts of the walls off the beaten path. Don't just walk the walls, step inside their secret corners. Book your Minčeta Tower Secret Tunnels tour with Dubrovnik local guides today.